Who doesn't have a pair of these yet? Or like 3. I just bought a new pair of Fiskars Pruners. These ones are super popular. I love them. I do like that they have a little bit of orange too, because you can find them amidst your prunings if you set them down. Non-slip grips, necessary. These ones are designed for cutting branches and stems that are up to 5/8 diameter, so very good for everyday pruning. And they got a nice steel blade. These pruners are great everyday value. I was set in the truck, I was set over with my potting stuff. They're just perfect for day-to-day use in the garden. So here they are out of the box. You can see they have this lock here, so you have to slide this over to open it. Open, lock. Let's see how sharp they are out of the box. I've had my eye on this branch for a while. I don't like the way it's going. Yeah, they work really well right out of the package, and you can always sharpen them later. You know, nice clean cuts, and if you start to see though that the cuts aren't quite as clean after a while, give them a sharpen. Other than that, keep them clean. Maybe try not to leave them in the garden bed overnight, and you got yourself a really nice pair of pruners.